It's no secret that many in the manufacturing industry look at their engineering teams as a cost center. At Spindle, we're challenging this notion. We've found the most efficient plants view this team actually as a profit center. After all, anytime there's a stop in production, it's a loss to both throughput and labor. Yet, for the last couple of decades, teams have managed their maintenance programs and millions of dollars worth of assets with pen and paper or in Excel. Tracking it this way leads to poor organization and missed PMs. You can schedule all the tasks you want, but at the end of the day, a preventative maintenance program is only effective if these tasks are actually getting performed. Storing tasks on a piece of paper or someone's personal computer causes loss of records and a lack of redundancy for your maintenance program. Missed PMs contribute to unplanned maintenance calls, which results in a loss to throughput and labor. Quickly discover if this is affecting you by tallying on a post-it note each time your maintenance team is called for unplanned work throughout the day. A higher number of tallies means there's room for improvement. Lack of historical reporting and visibility can lead to making important CapEx decisions without valid data points. A lot of time gets wasted searching for information regarding specific pieces of equipment. Multiple communication channels leads to teams often overlooking work orders that get buried in emails or on a note on someone's desk. This entire process is due for an upgrade. We now live in a world that runs on data. In your personal life, your bank reminds you when it's time to pay the bills. At work, your email client alerts you when you have an upcoming meeting. Isn't it time your maintenance program did this too? That's why we built Spindle's maintenance scheduling. Extend assets lifetime, reduce unplanned maintenance, increase asset uptime, save time filing paperwork and searching for records, and improve work order effectiveness. Because with Spindle, all of your maintenance tasks are now in one place. Gain access to real-time analytics and alerts, look at the history on any asset, and create work orders in minutes. So give Spindle's maintenance scheduling solution a try. We'd love to work with you.